The keto diet gets your body to adapt to a new way of finding energy, and that is through the use of ketones. When you have gotten over the horrid effects of keto flu, your body will comfortably use ketones as an energy source. In order to be successful, you need to read these tips to make sure you achieve your goals. 1. Drink water. Drink around 3 liters of water per day, with the majority of water being drunk first thing in the morning. It's easy to forget to drink water as we're all busy with day-to-day activities. Take a water bottle with you, wherever you go, as it helps. 2. Intermittent fasting. A great way to get into ketosis quickly is by lowering the amount of carbs you eat, but another way is intermittent fasting. You will eat within an 8 hours window and not eat for remainder 16 hours. There are 5 different protocols, but really you can decide when you eat and when you fast. Intermittent fasting falls hand in hand with keto and can make you quite thirsty, so go back to tip number 1 and drink plenty of water. 3. Salts. The keto diet causes you to have lower insulin levels, and as a result your kidneys excrete excess sodium. This results your ratio of sodium and potassium to be quite low. 3 to 5 grams of sodium needs to come from natural food, and you can get more from 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. 4. Exercise. Getting into a routine of regular exercise which incorporates resistance training and low-intensity exercises helps your blood sugar levels remain balanced and keeps you in ketosis. However, due to lack of carbs, you need to keep exercise to a minimum and not overdo it. 5. Avoid excess protein. A lot of people consume a lot of protein, which will take you out of ketosis by turning amino acids into glucose. Not everyone is the same, and some will consume higher protein levels than the rest. It depends on your current body composition and how active you are. If you're quite active, then naturally you eat more protein. 6. Make wise carb choices. The keto diet is low in carbs, but you can still eat carbs from non-starchy vegetables such as potatoes or fruits that are low glycemic like berries. Be careful at what you eat and remember to keep 20% of calories to protein and carbs only. 7. MCT oil. MCT oil is a high-fat supplement that you add to your diet to give you an instant energy boost that can last for hours. MCT oil contains triglycerides, which is easily digested and contains many benefits. You can use coconut oil instead as MCT from half the fat contained in coconut oil. The results will still be the same. Many people use MCT oil while on the ketogenic as it creates more ketones, which results in the instant boost. To have any chance of success with the keto diet, you need to take the above into account. Share your keto diet tips in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notification bell for more updates.